Alright, today we will be replacing a FireX smoke detector, or any hardwired smoke detector. First off, you want to take it off the base, disconnect the wiring harness, disconnect the old mounting plate. There we go. You want to pull down these wires here. Before you proceed, make sure you have cut the breaker to the circuit that has the smoke alarms. So I'm using a voltage pen, and there's no voltage going in there right now. If there is power still on, do not proceed. You will shock yourself and it will hurt. Alright. From here it's simple. Undo each wire nut. Red, white, and black. That can go on the ground. Here's our new wiring harness. So we're going to connect red to red, get that in a minute. And you want to twist it on. Until it's nice, good and tight. Wiggle it around. Then you want to connect black, which is the hot wire. In this case it is. Make sure these all are good and tight. Make sure you tighten this one. I made a mistake with this one, so I'm gonna redo it. Always good to check. Make sure your connections are perfect. I'll be right back. I have to restrip this wire. Alright, I'm back. Now, we're going to connect the white wire. White goes to white. All right, now we're gonna push all of our work back up into the electrical box. First, that one's loose, so good thing we caught that. We're gonna redo it. All right, we're gonna tug everything. One, two. All right, everything is nice and secure. Push all you back up. Now we're going to take our new mounting plate. Push the little wire through. One screw. Needs to come out a little more. Use our handy little damn it. That. I'll tighten it down. Take our new detector, plug it back in. Just like that. Okay, then you want to pull the backup battery tab and test if it works. Which this one does. That is how you replace a hardwired smoke detector. And when you're done, make sure you turn on AC power on the breaker. Thanks for watching and have a great day.